Okay, another day's in the books for Palantir stock, guys, and we have to break down the charts, how the stock did today, of course, what I'm looking to do, and where I see the stock going in the short term. But first, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Join the email list. It's free in the description and pinned in the comment section, and you might as well get your stocks from Moo. The deal lasts, I think, for 3 or 4 more days. Open up your account using that link down below. Fund it with at least $100, and you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash bonus. And fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below, or again, go to stocksurfest.com/moo and let's get right into the video. So markets closed about 15-20 minutes ago, and we have PLTR. It went up 1.7% on the day, and we're actually pushing in the aftermarket right now. I'm not sure what's going on right here, but we closed at 65.75, and now we're up to almost $66 in the aftermarket. I'm not seeing anything here on the live news tab. It looks like Dan Ives defends $75 Palantir target amid AI revolution and revenue surge. Haters will continue to hate, he says. All right, shout out to Dan Ives. Elon Musk, it looks like here, Jim Cramer says Elon Musk is responsible for Palantir stock rally. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know what angle he's coming from there. Now it's going over 66. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm not sure what's going on right now in real time, but we closed at, like I said, 65.75. Now we're at $66.25, and we're climbing after the bell. Let me actually go on Twitter or X and see what is going on, if anything is going on. But overall, we had a big day. Not a big day, but a good day, a solid day. Now we're seeing another big move in the aftermarket, but not a bad day. We closed over a critical level of resistance, which we've covered before here on the YouTube channel. I want to show you guys here in a second kind of what's going on here. I'm on X simultaneously, guys. I'm trying to see if there's any news that just came out. I don't think there's anything. Let's see. I'm not seeing anything here on X. Maybe they're okay. Yeah, they're trading on the NASDAQ now officially. It looks like. Yeah, I guess. Okay. We're moving, though. We're moving, guys. Now we're at 66.30 in the aftermarket. And it looks like here, like I said, we're breaking a key resistance. So do you guys remember we were talking about the high from the 15th of November? We hit 65.40. And then the day after that, or it looks like a couple days after that, that was on a Friday. On that following Monday, we hit 67.50. Which was at that point an all-time high. And now you guys can see we actually broke out of the high from the 15th of November. We broke out of there actually today in the aftermarket. And now we're starting to fill this gap. This is huge, guys. It really is. I mean, what did I say in my recent videos? I mean, did we not call this out? Look, we literally just broke 65.40. Now we're at 66.30. We're well on our way to filling this gap. It looks like to 67.50, $68. That's where it looks like PLTR is heading right now. I know it's crazy. I know it's nuts. I mean, I'm still baffled. We're in the mid 60s right now. It still seems like a dream, quite frankly, considering my price target this year on a conservative side was $30. Then we hit 40. Then we hit 50. Then we hit almost, we hit 60. Then we almost hit 70. It's like, what the heck is going on, right? But yeah, it looks like more upside, man. Bulls want more. We're breaking out of that level. We're filling the gap now to $67.50, $68. This is great news. It's looking great on the charts here. And on the 4-hour time frame, no doubt we're overbought. I mean, we all know that at this point, but really no signs of a pullback. It keeps on either A, going higher, or B, just straight up consolidating. This stock is allergic at this point to going under $60 per share. You know, we tested 59, we tested 60 a couple times as support over the last couple of days, and we held it. We held it. We consolidated above it. Buyers came in. We popped off it. And, yeah, now we're in the mid-high 60s again. Here we are. We're pushing. And, you know, the 4-hour chart looks good. We're well above both moving averages. The 180 SMA now has come up to about $51 a share. And I've been asked, Stas, where will you buy more Palantir, you know, if it pulls down? I think I'd consider it at $50. If it comes down here, I'd consider it, especially if it comes down lower 40s somehow. Who knows? Who knows if it gets there? I don't know. But if it does, I'll definitely be buying at that point. But yeah, guys, for now, excuse me, that's what we're that's what we're dealing with. More buyers are coming in. Excuse me, guys. I don't know what's going on today, but more buyers are coming in. We keep pushing higher, and it's unbelievable. And for me, guys, I'm holding on tight. This is a hold for me. Like I said, I'm not buying any more here. I'm not selling either. And now, oh my gosh, I just noticed something. How did I miss this 5 minutes ago? What the heck? This is a cup and handle. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. This is a clear cup and handle on PLTR on the 30-minute. Oh my goodness. Look at that. We have the cup. We have the handle right here. How did I miss this? I'm so happy I saw this now because this is really bullish. Cup, handle, if we're able to break out. And by the way, now we're at 66.40. We're pushing up even more. If we're able to break out of 67, 68, the cup and handle plays out, man, this could be blowing up to 70. Maybe it goes to Dan Ives' price target, which is a 12-month target, right? Maybe it goes to $75 before we expect it to. It's nuts. So, yeah, now we're up to 66.40, like I said, in the aftermarket. Cup and handle as clear as day. We're popping above the moving averages on this 30-minute chart. Obviously, we're above them on all the other time frames pretty much as well. So, yeah, this looks really freaking good. I'm glad I saw the cup and handle on this thing, guys. Let me set 2 alerts. I'll do one for now at $67 per share, and I'll do another one at $68 per share. Mark is at or above $68 per share. So, yeah, that's pretty much it here for this breakdown, guys. That's what I'm seeing on PLTR. Still looks really bullish despite being pretty overbought on the 4-hour chart. And this is happening in the midst of a pretty good day for the stock market, except for the Russell. The Russell went down 0.75%, but the S&P 500 went up about 0.5%, Dow up 0.25%, NASDAQ around 0.5% as well. Not too bad. But yeah, that's kind of the breakdown. What happened today, guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube. Join the Patreon if you guys want to see me build out my real money private portfolio. Check it out. Link down below. There's obviously a lot more than just that on the Patreon. And if you guys want some free stocks, you might as well. A couple more days left to hop on this deal. Use that link down below. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. Once you do that, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash bonus. And fund your Moomoo account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, again, clock's ticking. A couple more days to do it. It's a no-brainer, so use that link down below or go to StasSurFest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.